Through the streets of Berlin, where history's shadows stand so tall, we walk beneath the gaze of monuments echoing the call. The past and future intertwine as our hearts march in line. We rise in unity, time the brand with strength that flows like rivers bend. In the heart of Europe's own legacy echoes strong. Beneath the Brandenburg gate, where whispers of yesteryears reside, we find the strength within, and let our spirits take the ride. Together we conquer the night, a city bold in its might. We rise in unity, time the brand with strength that flows like rivers bend. In the heart of Europe's own legacy echoes strong.